No shadows, you get the all white background. It looks amazing.
Fabulous photography.
And to have a good picture of jewelry was so hard to get. And we were hiring people, they never did it right, they never got the lighting right. And now it's amazing. I mean, the quality of the pictures on our website are world class, they're beautiful. And it's because of the GemLightbox.
I would absolutely recommend this for any jewelry store.
I mean, it's so easy to do it.
Jump off the fence and just get it because it is so wonderful.